Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today we are solving one question from TIFR Biology Entrance. The different beak morphologies of Darwin's finches on the Galapagos Islands is best explained by. Options are genetic variation, option B is dietary differences, option C different habitats, and option D is all of the above. Let's solve this question. क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए गैलापागोस आइलैंड और डार्विन फिंचेस के बारे में जान लेते हैं। साउथ अमेरिका के एरिया में गैलापागोस आइलैंड है जहां पर एक मेनलैंड और there are different islands are present which are not connected to each other. There is a presence of sea in between them. Geographically देखें तो आइलैंड ये वैसे नए हैं as compared to the mainland. तो यहाँ पर एक ऑब्जर्वेशन किया गया था by the scientist डार्विन. ये डार्विन फिंचेस के नाम से बहुत फेमस है. There is a group of 14 species of small birds which were observed by the Darwin. This is the best studied example of evolution. इसमें ऐसा ऑब्जर्व किया गया कि मेनलैंड से किस कारण से बर्ड्स आइलैंड में शिफ्ट हो गए. मे बी बाय फ्लाइंग या बाय सर्टेन अनदर रीजन दे हैव शिफ्टेड टू आइलैंड्स. So these birds get dispersed on different islands. अभी dispersed होने के बाद उस आइलैंड पर जो हैबिटेट प्रेजेंट है वो इन बर्ड्स को मिल गया. That was different from the mainland. Now, due to the phenomena of natural selection, the birds get adjusted to that local conditions, जिसे हम adaptive radiation के नाम से भी जानते हैं. वहां पर नए आइलैंड में इन बर्ड्स को जो भी फूड मिला, जो जिस प्रकार के सीड्स मिले, जिस प्रकार के इंसेक्ट्स मिले, तो उसकी वजह से उनके मॉर्फोलॉजी में चेंजेस देखे गए, उनके बीक साइज में, उनके बीक शेप में चेंजेस देखे गए. दैट इज अ डाइटरी एडाप्टेशन और वी कॉल इट एज अ एडाप्टिव रेडिएशन वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन दीज बर्ड्स. This is due to the different habitat present on different islands. Here I am having summarized chart for Darwin's finches. This is a common ancestor from the South American mainland. There are three main types in which Darwin finches are formed. That were the ground finches, tree finches, and warbler finches. Warbler finches were singing birds. These were quite common, having common characteristics that of mainland. These were having slender warbler-like beak, and these were the insect eaters. Another are tree finches. These are bird eater and insect eater. Further, more differences are found. So according to the beak size of the bird has changed. Then ground finches are seed eaters and cactus flower eaters. So here we have observed the genetic variation in these birds. There is a habitat difference according to the different habitat the birds were facing on the island. Okay, so with this discussion, we'll go through the question once again. The different beak morphologies of Darwin's finches on the Galapagos Islands is best explained by genetic variation. Yes, there were a genetic variation formed in the birds. Dietary differences. Yes, dietary differences were also there. The seed, they were eating different types of seeds. Then different habitats, Of course, the birds were having different habitats on islands. So the answer becomes option D, all of the above. Here I have concluded with today's video. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.